Hello friends, I'm Salish. Welcome to my channel. I'm here again with a nice video. Today you see behind me the material used everywhere inside and outside of the prefabricated duplex building. I will try to show you all the details, guys. Yeah, our building is a 158 square meter duplex prefab house. Alright then, let's start our video, friends, folks. Our building is a 158 square meter duplex prefab house. Our building is currently a showrun building. So it's not a building that is occupied or used. We use the paint system called edging on the exterior of our building. It's painted with edging paint. The exterior of our building, it was covered with a method we call stone management, guys. It's an extra coated building. It's not a straightforward matter. A building coated with extra stone of our building. As you see, on the front side goes up to the second floor. What we call E-ring. Under this bay protrusion there is a poop protrusion. It adds more aesthetic, more elegant to our building. To add a view, my friends, we have a balcony on the lower floor of our building. There is again a balcony on the upper floor. Guys, the balcony on the lower floor is a bit larger. The balcony on the upper floor will be a bit smaller. Let's quickly go to our building. Let's all take a look at the right side. When we move to the right side of our building, friends, it's going to end on the first floor here again. As a front, we see the dome protrusion that goes up to the second floor again. It adds a very aesthetic shape to our building, friends. Let me show you the patterns of the covering we call a rug up close.
The title MK.
This coating is a blasted stone patterned with a rough textured surface. Coating, friends. Our building is very stylish and flashy. It shows. The paint of the upper floor of our minaret is different. The paint of the lower floor. Yes, now let's move toward the entrance of our building. And let me show you this stone coating up close. Let's take a closer look at it in a distressed pattern. Let me show you again, friends. Let me show you the upper floor as well. Our building's paint. Let's go like this, friends. The appearance looks like this. So we have a shelter at the entrance of our building to prevent our shoes from getting wet. Like this, the ceilings of our building, the lights from the entrance. Let me show you. Now let's enter our building, friends. Yes, when we enter inside our building, we are greeted by an entrance hall. The door in front of us opens to the living room. The door on our immediate right opens to the kitchen, and the door on our left leads to the bathroom on the lower floor of the building. When we quickly move to the left, we can see the escalator going up from here. We see. Yes, right here in the entrance section, there's something I need to show you. This is the display building. It's for the show. We left a gap in the ceiling of the lower floor in this building. That is, between the lower floor and the upper floor. If you see the connection point for our customers to see better, 25, we have steel chassis and use stone wool between the ceiling and the floor of the upper floor. Sound and heat from the upper floor to the lower floor. We ensure its insulation with stone wool so it doesn't get cold. And let's start touring inside our building. As I said before, the toilet bathroom section is on the left. There's a small toilet bathroom downstairs. Yeah, man, you should when we passed We see a door opening to the kitchen section. Let me show you the kitchen section like this. There is such a kitchen section. Since this building is a showroom building, no one is living here at the moment. You are seeing our show cabinets in the kitchen area. They are unused, just for show, for the sake of our showrooms. Here we can exit from what we call the dome balcony. We have a dome. It makes our building look more aesthetic from outside. Inside it gains us this much space.
Goodbye.
We have a door here that opens from the kitchen to the balcony area. We can go out to our balcony from the kitchen. Similarly, we can exit to our balcony from the living room again. Let me show you the width and size of the balcony. It also has a quite practical balcony of 15 square meters. My friends, let's go to our living room as well. As I'll show you just across our steel door, in a way that will stay across our steel door. There is a hall. When you enter our hall, let me show you. We have a very spacious hall. On the left side of our building, again, an extension that makes our building look more aesthetic and stylish from the outside. We have a dome projection here. This dome in the room goes up to the upper floor. It does not go, only outside downstairs.
It's being cut, just like this.
Let me show you the living room from this side. It's quite spacious. It has a quite useful living room. Our living room is 38 square meters, quite functional, and a room as spacious as possible. As I just said a little while ago, from right here, we have an exit to our balcony from the living room. Let me show you like this, friends. Connected both from the kitchen and from the living room. We have an exit to our balcony, friends.
Subtitle MK.
Let me show you like this. There are walls in the lower floor of our building. We have plaster coating, so in no way the joints on the walls, the connection places, friends, we can't see. You can see it's been plastered and plastered smoothly.
Subtitles MK.
You will see the plaster-free version of our building's top floor. On the top floor of our building, there is a plaster covering not available. As it is a display building, it caters to customers both with and without drywall. Let's go. Our friends can see now. If you want, let's also go upstairs. We have a lighting pendant in the stairwell that will illuminate the upstairs as well. Like this, we have a rotating staircase. We go up to the top floor of our building this way. When we go up to the top floor of our building right here, we are greeted by a door as soon as we turn.
Subtitle
It's
MK.
kind of small.
Goodbye.
We have a storeroom of about 3 square meters where we can store things like ironing boards, or it can be used for storage. Something like a wardrobe. You can also use it as a dressing room, or you can put your unused items here, folks. Later, 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and a bathroom toilet greet us right on the left of the stairs. Let me show you. As I said, this building is an exhibition building. It's not in use right now. Our toilets, stones, sinks, etc. are just for show. Right away, let's start with the room at the beginning. Let me show you the spaciousness and breadth of our room this way by taking a wide angle. When we enter our room, the dome windows in front of us are welcoming us again. It shows how cold it is, comfortable, spacious. As you can see, friends, it's a bit quieter with the dome from the outside.
Unserious.
Let me show you this way. The joints I mentioned are these metals. We have our plaster on the lower floor. We don't see this on the wall in any way. We don't have plaster cladding upstairs. We don't have plaster. We just see the clarity of this on the wall. Of course, if you ask us if there is any problem, any inconvenience in use, there's no bike front. The application we made for a more elegant appearance is plasterboard coating right away. Let me show you from other room.
See you later.
We have a door
Here.
over here. A door opens to our balcony. This is our 7 square meter balcony. Let me even show you what we used on this roof. I'm showing you our metal tiles up close, friends. They look just like regular tiles. A material that is here. Your heart is stainless. A material that is here for a more aesthetic, more elegant appearance. With our building right across, you can see its green version. Metal tiles, green, red smoke. Metal tiles are available in the color you want, as you wish. If you want red or green, we apply our metal tile in the way you want on our roof.
Goodbye.
Let's move to our other room. Right next to it, we have a bedroom here. It also allows us to access our balcony through this door.
See you in the next recipe. Goodbye.
Like right there. Let me show you our room. This room is a 15 square meter room, friends. Right from here also to our balcony. Yes, already the door we came from that other room, and when we get out of this room we can exit from both rooms to our balcony, guys. Yes, now the other one, that is our last room. Let's go to our room. Let's look at our other room. When we enter through the door, there's an indentation. You can't see the toilet on the wall. We made an indentation inwards to expand our room a bit. To the opposite side, you see, we embedded our wardrobe to the remaining section. You can make it more useful, guys. No, this room is a 12 square meter room. About the weather and stuff, let me show you how bright and practical all the rooms in your Sire factory home have been made. I have shown you this way. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Today I showed around the inside of a duplex prefabricated building, showed its exterior view and demonstrated its utility. I tried to show the materials used inside. Thank you all for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel to be notified of the next videos. If you press the notification button, you won't miss my next videos, friends. If you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button. You can watch my other prefab home videos from the links that appear on the screen. Goodbye. Enjoy.